Day 2 of the evidentiary hearing for the victims of Jesse Butler is underway in Payne County. They claim their rights were violated when he took a plea deal. The state argues that those victims were properly notified. 2 News Oklahoma's Emma Birch has been inside the courtroom all afternoon. She joins us live with the latest. Emma?
Naomi, after hours of being on the stand, one of the victims' mothers, who actually filed this motion back in December, was giving testimony of why she believes her and her daughter's rights were violated, but also asking the court to consider adding an extra layer to Marsy's law, requiring that victims sign off to say that they were informed of their rights. Now, Marsy's law is a state constitutional amendment that guarantees victims are treated with dignity, including being notified of plea deals by the district attorney's office over the case. This motion compares to the Lumpkins form, which defendants sign when they're waiving their rights of a guilty or no-contest plea. Now, the victims' families want a similar form, requiring victims to confirm that they were informed and receive details of any plea deal in writing. In court, one of the victim's mothers testified she was told just minutes before the hearing that Butler would take a no-contest plea to 10 counts of rape. Another mother took the stand but could not answer the questions about her daughter, as she is not part of this motion. Testimony also revealed plea negotiations were still happening just days before the hearing. The victim's attorney said she also believed the deal was still being negotiated until she walked in the courtroom on August 25th of 2025. Now, Jesse Butler was again not present in court today, but his attorneys and family were in the courtroom. It's actually still going on, just about to wrap up, and I believe it's going to continue in tomorrow, which we will be here for that. Reporting live in the Payne County Courthouse, I'm Emma Birch, 2 News Oklahoma.